Welcome
to Look Inside.
Look inside.
Today we're gonna look inside of a old
Camera
camera
from
from
a long time
a
ago.
long time ago.
And their cameras made from new places.
So
now.
this is an old camera.
That Daddy had a long time ago.
Yeah,
but
17.
Yeah, when you have a beard.
we're gonna look
Inside.
inside. Ready, guys?
Okay, let's
All right, let's look. Okay.
inside with this.
First, we need the tools, like always.
With this cool hammer.
Hold on. So, okay.
Okay, that's creepy.
We're gonna close this one because Johan is gonna do his best.
Destroying stuff.
Destroying stuff, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, wow.
Oh,
It broke a neck.
keep going, keep going.
That's good. It doesn't hurt.
It's not doing nothing.
No, it doesn't matter. Let's try that side.
Hold on.
Oh.
I think something popped.
Yeah, I heard pop.
Okay,
I heard a
let's.
pop.
Like pop.
Oh, it's stuck pretty much now.
You want help?
Okay, I'll open it.
Let me see what's in. Oh my god. That's creepy. Ah!
Yes, look. This is for you, sir.
What? Me?
This for you. You can look inside.
This is just like this.
And
But,
here, let me get the pliers.
pliers. I forgot to use pliers.
Pliers. So this. Take this. Super be careful, guys. Make sure you're not gonna break this one. If you break it, you cannot fix it. Oh, I did it very, very carefully.
Yeah, and
So this is another part.
I know this is creepy. But
So we can boom. Okay, let me
let's
check.
destroy together.
Hold on.
I destroyed it. I just destroyed
Hold
it.
on.
Because I'm a destroyer. I'm a savage.
Let's keep looking inside. Uh-oh, something fell. What is that? Something.
Weird. We
Okay,
don't know.
this is really good, guys. I'm gonna show you this one. You guys can see all the women.
Dad, actually, that's
This
my-
is really amazing.
I know. Let me give me that.
You can see how it shot the picture from here,
Yeah, let me just,
but
baby rock.
see the mirror. It's amazing. See the mirror right there?
Whoa.
See
It's
that?
really good,
I
huh?
know. I like it. Wait,
So
where-
let's me.
I hate that camera. I like the new cameras that the daddy bought. Yeah,
new
they're
cameras.
Cool. The coolers are they're cooler.
So like you can see, this is an old camera from years, and
this is how they made it. In
this is the.
the new
Oh,
one.
okay, hold on.
This is the new.
Oh, hold on. And this is what we're using today's days.
And this is a new camera that people make in today. But this one's a long time ago. I hate it. I like that
So you
one.
can see, this is a new camera with too many pixels,
2 pixels.
and you can see 0.0.0 pixels.
Yeah.
I know 0 point. I hate it. It's boring.
Yeah, I hate it.
It's boring.
Okay.
Can I smash it?
So hold on, cause this is look at inside. You can see how it looks inside. It's
And
amazing.
there's buttons, you know.
And this one actually, ooh,
You need some help?
you make a noise.
I know. Do you need, if you need
If you need
anyone-
help, maybe in a minute, sir.
Okay. And then we can smash it back.
Okay.
Then we can use the hammer to smash it.
Just don't want to smash it because I want to.
Ah! What about
I want to get the mirror.
Oh, you want to see the mirror from there?
Hmm.
Oh, so can we, how does the mirror look? How
That's what we were doing right now.
Daddy, how do you destroy? How do you
Let's do
So
it.
look, keep looking.
Dad, how
You
did
shot the picture from here. So goes on the mirror. Ooh.
Ah!
Okay, this is actually technology.
Technology. Yeah, I hate
So-
I hate old phones, old cameras.
I don't even know where the
old
battery
tablets,
go.
old telephones, old TV. They're so boring. Yeah, boring.
Boring.
So this is technology from years ago.
And old
So-
old cars. Boring.
What is kind of amazing is the mirror.
It's all boring. A long time ago stuff is so boring.
So
yeah,
this.
Daddy? And
Ooh.
Dad? Oh, that's the mirror.
Oh, nice. See?
See the mirror?
Now, what? I did something. Make a noise. Oh, something is going on. What?
Oh, it's this!
Oh, okay, that was something else. Okay, you can look inside of old camera.
A long time ago. I hate it.
What's
I hate it.
this?
A long time ago stuff boring.
Oops. Oh, you can see how many pictures you can take from here.
I know, I just
See, you can see
How do
that.
you turn it on? Obviously.
See?
How? Let me move.
I don't know how to. Oh, look at you can see this is
What?
the thing.
Oh, the thing that you take a selfie.
Okay.
The thing. And
No,
then
no, no,
I'll
no,
go
no,
in
no.
there.
Stop moving there.
My
So-
give me some space. That. So.
Okay.
So.
So,
We don't.
thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And you
Oh, we
can.
forgot to do our high five.
Oh, that's right. High five.
High five. Kiss bomb.
Come on.
Daddy.
High five. No, with the other one.
Oh, where's mine?
High five.
Then
Yay.
and
High five.
And then fist bomb.
Thanks for watching.
And bye bye.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
To our channel.
And the little girl is putting his in on my camera.
Bye
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
bye.